today's video. In today's video, we are doing a very exciting unboxing. We are unboxing my Loveshackfancy STANLEY Cups. I have them all here in this huge bag. I have never gotten this size of a bag from a Loveshackfancy store ever, but I'm going to unbox them and show you guys them all today in this Loveshackfancy STANLEY Tali haul. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Tali and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't already, make sure to follow me on all social medias, here on the screen, down in the description below. And without further ado, let's unbox my Loveshackfancy STANLEY collab. That's kind of hard to say, Loveshackfancy Stanleys. Or would you say Loveshackfancy STANLEY Cups? That's probably better. Also, before we start this haul, I just want to give a huge shout out to my girl Claudia. Thank you so much for helping me pre-order my Stanleys, and I picked them up today and they are so awesome. I haven't opened them yet, but like I'm just looking at them and I'm so excited, and I just want to say thank you so much to her and my local store. I love y'all so much, and I hope everyone was able to get what they wanted. I know that this collab was super anticipated. I was like, when I saw that it came out, I was like literally no words like every other time I see when they announce a collab. But I hope we all got all the Stanleys we wanted, and hopefully we all will be twinning together. So I got 3 Stanleys. I got 3 of them, all in the 40-ounce size. I really wanted one of the mini size in the last print I didn't get, which is the Rosa ribbon. But I told myself if they don't have it at the store that I'm not gonna like worry about it. I'm just gonna pick up the ones I have, and they didn't have it at the store, so it wasn't meant to be. Although I really am kind of regretting not getting one in that size. But anyways, I got all of the Stanleys in this size, which this is one I currently use right now. This is the 40-ounce. Although she'll be getting replaced. Don't tell her that. But I got them all in this size because I use this size every day. This is like the only size I have, and I use it every day. I drink this like about twice a day. I always have water on me, so it just made sense for me to get this size. Let's start off first with Happy Thoughts, or also, as some of you guys may know from the perfume, Endless Dreams. Oh my gosh, look at that box. So unfortunately, the little ribbon did fall off, but here is the box itself. Oh my gosh, look at how pretty that is. This is really nice because this really shows, like, this gives you, like, obviously it has the Stanley inside, so that's like the Stanley part of the collab, but it really has like the Loveshackfancy collab part. Like, it's definitely both brands in one, which I think is really nice and unique. Let's open this up. Are you ready? Oh my gosh, I can't open it. And here she is, opened up. I think that's really sick that they come in a dust bag. Like, that makes that so luxurious and really gives you the whole like experience of like a luxury like designer item. And then here is the little straw on the side. This is a really nice velvety soft dust bag. Alright guys, here is the Loveshackfancy STANLEY Cup in the print Happy Thoughts, also known as Endless Dreams. So gorgeous. I am not really a purple person. You guys know pink is my favorite color of all time, but I just thought this one was so gorgeous and so pretty that like I had to get this one as well. Okay, next let's do Ever Blooming Rosettes, are also known as Boheme. The bow on this one is not messed up. Here it is with the blue bow. Look at how cute that is. Even the ribbon has the Stanley X Loveshackfancy. Like, that's gorgeous. Also, this box, like, this is gorgeous. All right, let's open her up. So pretty as well. And this one's actually in a blue velvet dust bag. And I also wanted to show you guys, it's a little hard to get them out right now, but all the straws come with their own bow straw topper. Like, come on, that's so perfect. All right, here she is, out her dust bag. Wow, that is stunning. Oh my goodness. Now here is the Loveshackfancy STANLEY Cup in the print Boheme, or also Ever Blooming Rosettes. Oh my goodness, here she is. This one is so pretty as well. Again, pink is my favorite color, but I really like this one. Blue, I would have to say, is like probably my second favorite color, but I really liked this one as well. I just thought it was really pretty, and it was also really different from the other Stanleys I have, and she is just gorgeous. And lastly, the one I've been waiting for, the 40-ounce in Blooming Heirloom, or as some of you guys might know from the perfume, Forever in Love. And here she is out of the box. Look at how darling and sweet that is and how cute, and look at that bow on it. She is just adorable. Let's open her up. Here she is. She also comes in a pink velvet dust bag, and the straw has a light pink bow straw topper on top. All right, here we go. Oh my goodness. Okay, as a pink girly, I am obsessed. Okay, let me calm down a bit. Okay, here is the 40 ounce Loveshackfancy X Stanley Cup in Blooming Heirloom, or also known as Forever in Love. Here she is. Oh my goodness, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I will be using this one like so much. This one is my favorite as a pink girly, and I have always loved this pattern. I just think it's so pretty. It's one of their most iconic and timeless prints. This one's been around for a long time, and this cup, like, I also think is just very mature, you know, and it's so gorgeous. And like, I just having like this around, like even the detailing of the gold, super duper pretty. My other Stanleys are silver, so that's really nice. And yeah, she is definitely gonna be here all around with me by my side. All right guys, that brings me to the end of this Tali haul. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you all enjoyed my unboxing of my Loveshackfancy X Stanley cups. I'm so thankful and so grateful I was able to get my hands on these cups. I'm absolutely in love. I'm a huge Loveshackfancy fan and a huge Stanley fan, and especially living in the South, I have water on me at all times, especially right now in this heat. So this was the perfect collab, and I'm super duper excited to sport all my Stanley cups. And again, shout out to my store. You guys know who you are. Thank you, thank you, thank you for always hooking me up. Let me know down in the comments below what your favorite print is out of the 4. You guys know mine, but the first print is the pink print in Blooming Heirloom. We have the purple print, which is Happy Thoughts. We have the blue print, which is Ever Blooming Rosettes. And Ribbon Rosa, which is the print I did not get, but I will put it here on the screen. Again, my name is Tali, and thank you so much for stopping by on my YouTube channel. If you haven't already, make sure to follow me on all social medias, here on the screen, down in the description below. And I hope you all have a wonderful, beautiful, fantastic, amazing, gorgeous, fabulous day.